How are you guys doing? This is Ryan, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to reveal that I'm throwing a huge Bitcoin Cash event at PGA National here in South Florida. And this is really associated with my business, Commercial Kitchen Stop. I'm associated with a couple other companies in the distribution chain for the hospitality market. And I'm throwing a huge event to spread Bitcoin Cash adoption. And I've been working on this for months, but what I've done is I put together an event to be played at the Champ course at PGA National, where Tiger Woods and every other major golfer has played in the tournament. And I'm there to spread Bitcoin Cash adoption to the hospitality market. And I've actually gotten Roger Ver to be a guest speaker. We're planning on having him zoom in from Tokyo. And starting next week, I'm gonna go full guerrilla promoting this event to get a massive amount of people out there. So I wanted to hop on my channel first and reach out to the Bitcoin Cash community and to see how else does anyone else here want to get involved. Do you want to come to the event? Would you be interested in sponsoring? We're gonna have all kinds of merchandise being given out. We're gonna have companies at every flag. You can have a golf cart wrapped. Your company's information could be put on all the marketing materials. If you want to learn more about this, please send me an email at ryan@brilliantsupply.com. I'll have it here and I can send you more information on it because we're still pre-registry right now, but next week you're going to be able to start registering for the event. But if you shoot me an email, I'm looking for help. I'm looking for people in the Bitcoin Cash community and the crypto space, and really people that make payment solutions easier for businesses. And we have the opportunity to spread Bitcoin Cash adoption to hundreds of businesses in South Florida and the hospitality mecca of the world. So this is something you want to be a part of. The event takes place on September 27th. It'll start at 7 a.m. and then we'll finish up after lunch in the afternoon. It's going to be at the amazing PGA National, which is a great resort, spa, hotel, and of course, amazing golf course. Even if you just want to donate to the event, I'll leave my Bitcoin Cash address in the link below. This is a separate wallet that I'm using just for the event because of course if you're going to throw an event, you should accept cryptocurrency that you're promoting, not like Bitcoin pizza and taking people's credit cards. We actually want to use cryptocurrency as a currency. And just an hour south of me in Miami, of course, they just had the Bitcoin conference there. So this is an opportunity to bring Bitcoin Cash to South Florida here in Palm Beach, Florida. Again, the event is September 27th. And it'll be a morning golf event, but I want to reach out and get more collaborative ideas within the community. Let's make this as fun of an event as we can, and any ideas that you have, please make sure to let me know. And let's continue to spread peer-to-peer electronic cash around the world. A lot of people just like to come into cryptocurrency and speculate, but the way you're going to create real value is to come in, and we are the network. We are Bitcoin Cash. If you hold the token, it's a decentralized system. We all own a part of it. And if you want it to be a great network, let's get involved. Let's spread the education to all kinds of people who are not familiar. We know most of the world has not touched cryptocurrency, and I think it's actually like 95% of the world hasn't even touched this technology that's going to infiltrate everywhere. So what an amazing time to be alive, and this is going to be an amazing event to be a part of. And I hope you guys can get involved and shoot me any ideas if you want to do anything else during the week or whatever else that you think that you can do to help bring more cryptocurrency adoption to the South Florida area and even build off this event. I'm down to help. I'll be doing a lot of promoting on my Instagram, rgiffin89. I post there pretty much daily. And also if you want to follow me on noise.cash, I'll be promoting the event over there as well. And overall, just stay tuned. I'll have lots of promotional content going out. And of course, if you donate, a lot of that money is going to go towards that. Any excess profits that we get, we're going to donate to 2 charities. We're looking at Feeding South Florida, which pretty much helps feed people who can't have meals, and also Home Safe. Home Safe is an organization that takes in children that don't have parents or anyone to take care of them, and they foster them and they give them what they need to be successful and go out in society. So great causes to be a part of. Cryptocurrency, a great cause to raise the standard of living for everyone around the world. And I'm calling on you. I need you guys' help. So that's all I got for this week, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for future content. I upload here on YouTube every single week. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And I'll see you guys in my next one.